हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन बताएंगे। मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड 1822 टू 1888। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राइट ए शॉर्ट नोट ऑन अर्नोल्ड्स पोएटिक स्टाइल। आंसर, अर्नोल्ड्स पोएटिक स्टाइल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ एनी अदर पोएट। अर्नोल्ड फेल्स टू प्रेजेंट द musical aspect in his poetry. He also does not produce lyrical qualities. In fact, Arnold was a famous prose writer, so he uses the diction of prose in his poetry. Secondly, he was a famous critic, so he gives more importance to wit than to imagination. In spite of these demerits, Arnold comes in the line of great poets because his poetic style is simple and impressive. Question 2. Discuss in short that Dover Beach is a successful poem of Arnold. Answer. The poem Dover Beach is a fine example of Arnold's genius. The poem is full of melancholy mood of the poet, and it is also religious, philosophical and emotional. The poet throws light on the fact that this world is full of darkness and the people in this world have become aimless. Not only this, but the poet also suggests a certain solution of this problem. He comments that the people of this world should understand the power of love. Question third. What is the purpose of the poet in the poem Dover Beach? Answer. Dover Beach is a reflective poem in which the poet raises certain questions about the mankind. He also describes the Greek atmosphere and his love for classical poetry. The main idea of the poem is to present the sad picture of a faithless man in the faithless world. The purpose of the poet is to suggest the people that they are suffering because they have lost their faith in religion. So in this poem, the purpose of the poet is to highlight the realistics of the world. Question 4. How does Arnold present the tribute to Shakespeare in the sonnet Shakespeare? Answer. In this sonnet Shakespeare, Arnold presents the best tribute to William Shakespeare. He regards Shakespeare as the most towering personality. He finds that people could not understand Shakespeare perfectly. The fact is that Shakespeare is the greatest poet and the greatest dramatist who could understand the true nature of mankind. Objective type question. Question, Shakespeare was. Answer, a great dramatist. Question, Arnold's sonnet Shakespeare was published in. Answer, 1869. Question, Matthew Arnold was born in. Answer, 1822. Question, Aegean. Aegean Sea is near. Answer, Greece. Greece. Question, Arnold died in. Answer, 1888. Question, Sophocles was. Answer, Greek dramatist. Question, Dover Beach was first published in. Answer, 1867. Question, the Victorian age was an age of. Answer, skepticism. Question, according to Arnold, Shakespeare was. Answer, self-schooled. Question, Arnold called Shakespeare. Answer, matchless. Opinion of critics on Arnold's poetry. First, the poet is in him Arnold a man, or if the metaphor he preferred, a spring of the most real and rarest of poetry, but the view is constantly broken by faults and never very thick. The spring is intermittent and runs at times by drops only. Arnold felt the majesty of the poet's function. He solemnly altered himself to perform it. But the spring robe was not his daily wear. Professor Saintbury answer. Second, with Matthew Arnold, beauty was more consciously the object of a desire and cult. cult, CULT. He had the fine sensibility of the scholar, and his mind was deeply impregnated with all the teaching of ancient art. LEGOUIS, Lewis, and CAZAMIAN, Cajamian. Third, the writing of Matthew Arnold are characterized by these persisting qualities: suavity, wistfulness, and serenity. There is a persuasive charm, gracious sympathy about everything that Arnold wrote. Matthew Arnold was a fine artist, more limited than Tennyson in his music, less virile than Browning in his grasp of life, but unequaled in depicting certain wistful moods of the spirit. ये कैम्पटन रिकेट्स के अनुसार. Fourth, verse was for him except in 2 or 3 of the poems which he amused some of his latest day, the expression of his bravest self and his most abiding thought. And here there was, as it were, a permanent nostalgia of a simpler and earlier age, a pained sense that the modern world, delight as it may in the form that ancient art has left us, can never recreate for itself the moral atmosphere in which that art had its origin. F.H. Ward के अनुसार. Fifth, a deep sadness hangs around his verse, yet is he sincere and reverent. The agnostic doubt has cast its gloom upon him, but has not succeeded in expelling the religious spirit from his soul. Like his master Wordsworth, he would pen rather a lesson of joy and sweet content from all he sees and knows, but grieves to find it impossible. ये रिचर्ड डी ग्रैहम के अनुसार. 6. Francis that broke through language and escaped, yet his sense of atmosphere, of background, of great stage on which man plays his part, gives Arnold's teaching a wonderful comprehension within its range. Arthur T. Quiller, Quiller, Couch. Thanks, best of luck.